Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be learning about polynomial long division. Also, this is one of our toughest topic too, so this will be hard to understand, but again, we'll leave some different website for you to find different help on our channel. And again, for this video, we have our sequester named Andrew Mancini. He's been on this video for two videos, so he's been doing great, and he's shown me a lot of courage in this video, so he'll be giving us a lot of help. So hey, welcome Andrew.
Hey, glad to be back.
Yes, so what do you got to say about today?
I know a lot of you were inspired by that last quote about the impossibility of stapling water to a tree, and if you've tried that, there's one kind of get around. If you put water in a Ziploc bag and then find a tree bark and then staple the Ziploc bag containing water to the tree, then you can do it. So it goes to show nothing is impossible.
See, Andrew has everything that's good. So
I'm that smart.
We'll get to polynomial long division. Alright, so with polynomial long division, this is tough, but it's really simple. If you look at it, I mean, since second grade, third grade, we are doing this thing where it's like 36 divided by 6. How do we solve it? We basically put 6 and divide it by 36. We basically get 6 up here, 36 minus 0, so our answer is going to be 6, right? It's the same thing, the same process. Instead of we have 2 where we have x plus 2, and it's a longer thing, so that's why we call it long division. So now we'll solve this thing, and I'll plug it in, and then Andrew will show us how to solve it. So we're going to go x plus 2 divided by x squared minus 3x minus 10. So now Andrew will show us how we should go from here.
Perfect. If we go back to that example we had with 6 into 36, what we're basically doing is thinking how many times does 6 fit into 36? And we're doing the same thing even if we have variables here. So we can look at this first term that we have into this. How many times might x fit into x squared? Well, let's say your first thought may be 2. X times 2 is going to get us 2x, which is not the same thing as x squared, so we don't want 2. But let's say we multiplied x by another x. That would get us x squared, right? So in that case, what we're doing is 1x to get us to x squared. Once we do that, we can, just as if we were doing it with two numbers, write the x squared underneath, and then we have to do the same thing to the 2. Now we're doing 2 times x. So what we're doing is, right, 2x here. Then if we subtract this down, this positive becomes a negative, because this negative is here, which leaves us with x squared minus x squared gives us 0. Negative 3x minus or plus a negative 2x gets us negative 5x. Now we do the exact same process going back to the x. How many times might x fit into negative 5? Negative 5 times, right? Negative 5 times x will get us negative 5x. Then negative 5 times 2 will get us negative 10. What we can do is bring that negative 10 down. Then just as back here, we'll subtract. This negative changes into a positive, so we're left with 0. And this negative changes into positive again. Negative 10 plus 10 gives us a 0 again. Once we have 0 out, there's no more to solve for, which means that whatever we wrote on top of this little house, or on top of the ceiling, is the answer. In this case, x minus 5 is the quotient.
Yep, there we go. See, I said it was going to be hard, but again, with Andrew, everything just seems easier. So this is a long division. For me, personally, it was super hard. It took me about a month or so to get into this thing. So if there's any question, leave us a comment and let us know. And also, I'll leave a link on our channel for you to find different problems, practice problem, and also the solution. Thank you so much, Andrew, for coming.